Hi, in this video I'm going to show you that how to add a product variation in Shopify store. Already in the previous video I created a product and also mentioned the details about them. So in this video I'm going to focus on the variation only. So for example, the product is skinny stretch skinny fit mesh polo. Okay, then I'm going to add a few picture of the product. Okay, then going to the below section, here you can find the variation section for to add more variation of this product. So I'm clicking this variation. There is a trick. For example, if your product variation price are similar, so at first write the price here, for example $19.99, and then if you generate the variation, then the price will be automatically pulled from the original price. So for example, size is, we will use three size. For example, small, then medium, then large. Fine, then click done. Then we can see that the three variation already created and the price come from this price. Okay, perfect. Now for example, you want to charge a little bit $1 more for this last price, so you can also do it. Here is the stock amount. So for example, if you want to change the stock amount to 10, for example, we have no stock of this, and then this is 5. So now we are clicking save. Perfect. Then perfect. Now we will see how it looks like that. For example, we are going to preview the product. Okay, so you see that is small is $19.99. in MD, I mean medium, we have no stock, that's why it's showing like that, that's sold out. And large, that's look like $20.99. so we can, in variation, we can also change the price of this. And now I will add another variation and combine with that. For example, you have also color variation. So for that I'm clicking here and color. Perfect. So then the color is, there are three color: white, then light pink, and the next one is light green. Perfect. So now click done, and then you can see that's there is in the group by, there is two options, that size and color. So for example, our product we will group by size. And now if you can see that in the size there is also option that three variants. That means here is showing the color options. So here you can also add some product details. For example, there are variation you can also add here. For example, if you want to add a specific picture for the variation, you can also do is like that way. For example, we are going to add images, pink image for this. Okay, done. And the green image. Okay, so this way we already added two picture of the small size, which color is green, pink and green. Perfect. So now click save and going to the preview options. Perfect. So now it's showing size and color. Then in small, click the light pink. So you can see the image already changed. Light green, the image already changed. So now back to here, why it's now here we can update the available stock amount. For example, 5, 20 and so on. Perfect. So now you can easily understand that how to manage this product variation. Perfect. So I hope you get it about this. If you have any question, please feel free to let us know. We